Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic: how clove can play a powerful role in restoring morning erections in men. This is a game changer you won't want to miss. If you're ready to unlock the secrets of this natural remedy, drop a comment saying, "I'm here," to let me know you're ready to learn. Alright, let's get straight into it. Morning erections, a common yet often overlooked occurrence, have long been considered a healthy sign of sexual vitality. For many men, these spontaneous and involuntary erections are a natural part of their daily routine, typically occurring during the REM stage of sleep. The presence of morning erections signifies that the body is functioning optimally, particularly in terms of blood flow, hormonal balance, and overall sexual health. However, as men age or face various lifestyle challenges, the frequency and quality of these erections may decrease. The question then arises, what can be done to restore these once reliable morning erections? And could there be a simple, natural remedy to bring them back? Enter clove water, a natural drink with remarkable properties that could potentially help restore morning erections by enhancing circulation, boosting testosterone, and improving overall sexual health. Clove water, as its name suggests, is an infusion made from cloves, a popular spice known for its potent medicinal properties. Cloves are native to Southeast Asia and have been used for centuries in traditional medicine for their various health benefits. Cloves can be purchased in markets across the world. The active compounds in cloves, particularly eugenol, are thought to be responsible for their powerful effects. Eugenol is a phenolic compound that has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. This makes clove water not only a remedy for sexual health, but also a tonic for overall well-being. By simply boiling water with cloves and consuming the infused liquid, one can tap into the numerous benefits of this spice, including the possibility of revitalizing morning erections. One of the primary ways clove water is thought to help restore morning erections is by improving circulation. Blood flow is crucial for maintaining healthy erectile function, as erections occur when blood fills the erectile tissue in the penis. When circulation is poor, the ability to achieve and sustain an erection can be compromised. The eugenol in clove water is known to improve blood circulation by relaxing blood vessels and promoting better oxygen and nutrient delivery throughout the body. This enhanced circulation could play a significant role in restoring the frequency and quality of morning erections, as it helps ensure that blood flows freely to the penis during sleep, which is when morning erections typically occur. Beyond improving circulation, clove water is believed to have a positive impact on testosterone levels. Testosterone, the primary male sex hormone, is essential for maintaining sexual health, including the ability to achieve erections. As men age, testosterone levels naturally decline, leading to a decrease in libido, energy, and sexual performance. While clove water alone may not drastically increase testosterone, the compounds in cloves, particularly eugenol, have been shown to support the endocrine system by helping to balance hormones and reduce oxidative stress. Clove water may assist in maintaining healthier testosterone levels, potentially contributing to the restoration of morning erections. I hope you're finding this video eye-opening and insightful so far. Before we move on, let's take a quick pause. If you're enjoying what you've seen, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with someone who needs to see this. And hey, if you're loving the content, drop a comment below saying wonderful. I'd love to hear from you. Alright, let's keep going and uncover more of these intriguing benefits. It is also worth noting that clove water offers several other health benefits that can indirectly support sexual health. For example, cloves are rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress, an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body. Oxidative stress has been linked to a number of health issues, including sexual dysfunction. By neutralizing free radicals, antioxidants in clove water can help protect the cells and tissues involved in erectile function. Furthermore, cloves possess anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body, which may be beneficial for those who suffer from conditions like erectile dysfunction that can be exacerbated by chronic inflammation. Clove water also offers digestive benefits, which, while not directly related to sexual health, can contribute to overall wellness. Digestive health is critical for nutrient absorption, including the vitamins and minerals that play a role in sexual function. Cloves have been used to improve digestion for centuries, and their ability to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes can help ensure that the body absorbs nutrients effectively. A well-functioning digestive system supports overall vitality, which may contribute to improved sexual health and, consequently, morning erections. In addition to these physical benefits, clove water has been praised for its ability to improve mental clarity and focus. Stress and anxiety are well-known factors that can negatively affect sexual health, and they are often underlying causes of erectile dysfunction. By reducing stress and promoting relaxation, clove water may help alleviate some of the mental burdens that interfere with sexual function. The calming effects of clove water could make it easier for men to relax and enjoy a better quality of sleep, potentially enhancing their chances of experiencing morning erections. For those wondering how to incorporate clove water into their routine, the process is quite simple. To make clove water, one only needs to boil a glass of water and add a teaspoon of whole cloves. The water should be simmered for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the cloves to release their beneficial compounds. Once the infusion is ready, it can be strained and consumed warm, preferably on an empty stomach in the morning. Some people also add a bit of honey or ginger for added flavor and benefits, as both honey and ginger have their own health-boosting properties. Drinking clove water regularly, perhaps once or twice a week, can help unlock its full potential and improve sexual health over time. However, it's important to note that results may not be immediate, and consistency is key. Like any natural remedy, the effects of clove water may take time to manifest. While clove water can certainly play a role in restoring morning erections, it is crucial to recognize that it should be part of a broader approach to sexual health. No single remedy works in isolation, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle is essential for optimal sexual function. Eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals, exercising regularly to improve circulation, managing stress through relaxation techniques, and getting adequate sleep all contribute to better sexual health. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, both of which can negatively impact erectile function, should also be avoided. By combining the benefits of clove water with a healthy lifestyle, men can maximize their chances of restoring strong and consistent morning erections. Incorporating clove water into one's routine is not only about restoring morning erections, but also about improving overall health. As more people turn to natural remedies to address health concerns, clove water offers a promising option for those seeking to enhance their sexual health in a natural and holistic way. Its ability to improve circulation, balance hormones, reduce inflammation, and promote general wellness makes it a powerful tool in the quest for better sexual vitality. And perhaps most importantly, it is a simple and accessible remedy that can be easily added to one's daily routine, without the need for expensive treatments or medications. Of course, clove water is not a miracle cure, and it may not work for everyone. Some individuals may have underlying medical conditions that require professional treatment, and it is always advisable to consult with a healthcare provider before trying new remedies, especially if there are concerns about sexual health. However, for many men, clove water offers a safe and natural way to support sexual function and restore those cherished morning erections. In conclusion, restoring morning erections is a goal that many men seek, particularly as they age or face various lifestyle challenges. While there are numerous potential causes for diminished morning erections, clove water presents a natural, accessible, and effective remedy that may help restore these vital signs of sexual health. By improving circulation, supporting hormone balance, and offering a host of other health benefits. Clove water could be the key to reclaiming that once reliable morning vitality, with its numerous benefits and minimal side effects. It's certainly worth considering as part of a healthy lifestyle aimed at improving both sexual health and overall well-being. Thank you for watching. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness insights. Like this video, share it with friends or loved ones who might benefit, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Be sure to explore our channel for other fascinating videos that will empower you to live your best life. See you in the next one.